Hey guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to learn cryptocurrency for beginners. And the only way, in my opinion, to learn is do it. And the best way actually to learn is to find someone who has already done it and just follow what they are doing. Basically, shadow someone. This is very like a forgotten method of learning, because if you think about like evolutionary standpoint, when for example someone learned how to use spear to fight tigers, you know, when the kids raised up, someone was like mentoring them on how to use the spear and how to, like, you know. So that's how they learned. They didn't have internet, they didn't have books, they didn't have any. That's how they learned. So through osmosis. And if you look at, for example, cows, the baby, when the cow has a baby, the baby just learns through osmosis on how to do the things, because the cow follows his mother or parents, you know, on what they are doing, how they are eating, what they are eating, how they are spending their time, you know, what they're doing. So that they learn through osmosis. They don't even speak, they just learn through osmosis. So that's the most powerful way to learn, is like look at like what someone is doing. That's the most powerful way to do and to learn, you know, because that's how we are hardwired. Anyway, so if you want to learn, I want to help you to cut your learning curve by at least 5 years, because I've been in crypto since late 2017. I have done tons of mistakes. I have learned from them. I actually turned $500 into over $300,000. So if you want to learn from me, check out the Golden Portfolio membership and join there. And in there, I will send you daily emails. And when you read those daily emails, you will start learning about how I think about things. And that is the best way, in my opinion, to learn, because it's very hard to learn in, but the school system is like you go to like a couple of years schools and then you should be like good to go. But the brain doesn't work like that. You have to be through osmosis in actually someone who actually does these things. Okay, and that's a great thing. And the next thing is just do, like, don't download a MetaMask wallet, send some Ethereum to your MetaMask wallet, start interacting with protocols like Uniswap, you know, and start using decentralized exchanges. Okay, and maybe start stake some tokens. Okay, maybe lend and borrow some, like, just to see like what's happening. So that's a very key thing to do, in my opinion. Yeah, so that's basically what to do. You want to learn through mentors, and then you want to learn through actually doing this stuff, you know, because those who do, you have so much better, like, would you rather learn from someone who actually been doing it, or someone who has just learned about reading about it? You know, you want to always learn someone who has actually done it, live it, you know. So you can check out the first link in the description and learn more about it if you want. I highly recommend you to, because it's completely free. Like, it's huge opportunity. I'm telling you, it took me years to learn the stuff that I'm going to share with you in the bottom part for the membership. So I hope that you take this chance. And anyway, so this was the quick video. There's tons of, I could talk about tons of other stuff, but these are just key things, key elements. Find a mentor. That's the biggest one. A lot of people don't know what I'm talking about. They don't know about having a mentor. It's truly a superpower to have a mentor who is light years ahead of you. Thank you so much. See you in the next videos, and peace out.